I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too, with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Host Tom Bilyeu had an engaging discussion with entrepreneur Bryan Johnson about his intense health optimization protocol Blueprint and his brain imaging technology startup Kernel. Tom was immediately struck by Bryan's unusually youthful, elf-like appearance and energy, which Bryan credits to the rigorous Blueprint lifestyle system he created. Blueprint involves comprehensive biological measurement of Bryan's entire body to determine the optimal state for each organ system. He then tailors lifestyle interventions around these biomarkers to achieve balance across his 78 organs' needs. A major element is an extremely regimented 2,000 calorie per day vegan diet, optimized through supplements and meticulously selected foods to provide complete nutrition within that tight caloric constraint. Bryan walks through his daily meals featuring a blended super veggie dish, chocolate avocado pudding mixed with nuts/seeds, and 100% cacao chocolate for antioxidants. He developed strict criteria for choosing highest quality foods and ingredients that can fully nourish his body within limited calories. For simplicity, Bryan eats very consistent meals at the exact same times every day. They discussed whether Blueprint's intensity means it could only work for the most motivated and resourced people like Bryan, or if elements could benefit the average person. Bryan believes societal defaults should promote health, though some customization is always needed based on biomarkers and goals. However, he feels simply focusing on sleep and diet quality could help nearly everyone. Tom also asked about Blueprint's goals, whether it aims to slow aging, reverse damage, or enhance function. Bryan explained he is targeting numerous biological age markers for each organ system, not just chronology. His vision is fully integrated measurement, analysis, and interventions to systematically regenerate organs and undo aging damage. Though ambitious, early results have been promising for Bryan. Bryan also founded Kernel, which developed non-invasive neural interface technology to image overall brain activity and specific patterns. He demonstrated that monitoring the brain reveals insights unavailable from behavior alone. For example, impairment from alcohol may begin substantially before any noticeable behavioral changes manifest. Kernel aims to build an ecosystem of diagnostic and therapeutic tools for not just treating mental disorders, but more broadly enhancing function. Tom asked why Bryan shifted focus from an invasive implanted device to a wearable technology. Bryan said implantables have a very long development and adoption curve, while non-invasives can scale much faster across both clinical and consumer applications. Also, implants can only stimulate tiny, discrete brain regions, while wearables leverage the brain's existing sensory systems, allowing broader, fuller inputs. Discussing exponential technological change, Tom observed that optimizing human biology seems essential to upgrade mental capacities and possibilities for cooperation among humans and increasingly powerful AI systems. Bryan agreed that biological experiences fundamentally constrain cognitive horizons, so improving self-alignment through data allows fuller cooperation with emergent intelligence. In closing, Bryan reiterated that both Kernel and Blueprint manifest his rigorous, systems-based approach to managing both mind and body. Solving biological problems that needlessly constrain potential is difficult but essential and attainable. If we can optimize and align human capacities, we can create conditions to flourish amidst advancing technology. Tom encouraged following Bryan's public work to elevate human welfare through data-driven optimization. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.